Jeremy, what are we about to do?
We are about to go into production.
Ooh.
Action.
So that's great.
Donate and key. Hi, I'm Jeremy Cook, Senior Manager here at VIPKid. We're shooting another commercial and getting more photos. We did it a lot last year. We want to do even more this year. I want to show you what we have going on. Come on over. We have a city scene, a cafe scene. Back there we're going to have a park scene, and then here we are going to have a classroom which is being painted as we speak. Donate and key and action.
If you want to make extra money while making a difference, raise your hand.
So we've tried to do, the last campaign and this campaign is create our own signature VIPKid world, which is based on the color and the energy of the brand. So what we did was we chose a color for each scene. Each one of those scenes, we've kept it very monotone, and everything in that scene, including the people and what they're wearing, are the VIPKid colors. Which makes it very stylized and cool, and it brings a whimsy and a fun to it. And as you can see from back here, we also tried to make them feel like it was a fun theater set, and I think what that does is it just gives it the energy and the fun and the whimsy of the brand. And when you see the teachers teaching, you can tell that they embody that too. So that's what we're really trying to go for with the art direction and the creation of all these sets. Yeah, so that's great.
I like that one.
Yeah, we'll do
So hi, I'm Jamel, and I am getting my makeup done for our final shoot. My favorite set was the greeting scene. Obviously it was mine, but it was also the park. And I love hiking. I have a dog, so it was just very natural for me to do it. The dogs were not intimidating or scary because all of them were smaller than my 60-pound dog.
Hi, my name is Emily, and I am in the orange room on set here at the VIPKid ad campaign in California. I really liked the pink set, the pink dining room scene set where I kept dropping trays of food and breaking plates. I felt bad to break the plates, but that was a fun set.
Okay, so sign up. Let's do a quick placement check, guys, and then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna read the sentence, and you're gonna go Sarah, Matt, Jamil. Okay.
And go ahead, action, Emma.
Okay. Do it from anywhere. It's the most rewarding way to make a little extra money. All right, so boom, 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 and then the sign's gonna drop here. Okay. So you wanna try it? So, and you guys have seen what we've been doing. We'll try it a couple different ways, but you're gonna like raise it and sort of be like proud.
The shooting of the commercial or the campaign, this was a very first for me. So I have a newfound respect, definitely, for the film industry, the work that goes behind the scenes, the time, just the sheer time.
It's really cool to meet everybody behind the scenes and just kind of get an inside look as to what's happening.
Cool. You got a couple options. Excellent.